Here we go with the June 1st edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's take a look back at the numbers from yesterday. It was a very warm, muggy weather day all across the region, even the mountain areas topping 80 yesterday afternoon. It was mainly mid-80s across the Triad region, Charlotte viewing area, mid and upper 80s through the Piedmont, and again, even Boone hitting 80 yesterday afternoon. Boy, look at that. Nice looking shot here during the 5 a.m. hour from Winston-Salem State University. Good sunrise underway. Temperature 69 degrees with a dew point at 67, so it's muggy, 93% humidity. And there's the Dowd YMCA camera. We're going to see a lot more sunshine this morning than we've seen on recent days, and that's going to lead to a hotter weather day. So looking good in the Queen City, 67 the temperature, a little bit cooler than we have been over the past couple of mornings, 4 or 5 degrees cooler in many spots. 60s and 70s this morning, still a mild and muggy morning. All right, yesterday had a big cluster of thunderstorms develop down through the mountain foothills and into the Piedmont. And this really pounded the Charlotte region with some very, very heavy rainfall for a good couple of hours there, especially the western side of the Charlotte metro region, and had some issues with wind and hail too, scattered across the western Carolinas here and there. And just again to highlight that western Charlotte metro problem, there's a Gaston County flood report there of the Catawba Creek overflowed out of its banks near West Garrison Boulevard. It was about 2 hours of really heavy rain there. We're in Gaston, Cleveland, York, Mecklenburg counties. All right, this morning the radar is quiet for now, but you look west of us, and there's your scattered showers and thunderstorms through Kentucky, Tennessee, northern sections of Alabama, Mississippi, and Arkansas. And that disturbance is moving pretty steadily in our direction. And you can just watch that and kind of time this out. It's going to line up very nicely with the daytime heating today. So the result for us, I believe, is going to be pretty good chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. So there's the high-resolution future radar. I think it's doing a pretty nice job here. And again, notice we're talking mid-afternoon into the evening hours, at least for the foothills and the Piedmont, for the best chance of scattered storms. And again, they will be scattered, but I think a pretty decent amount of them on the way today, and a little better chance for some strong to severe storms too. Now, the greatest severe weather threat off to the southwest of the Carolinas, at least most of the Carolinas. But I do think even where you don't see this shading across the Piedmont, I still think there's a pretty good chance. I think there's going to be some severe thunderstorm warnings involved in there in that corridor this afternoon, with damaging winds being the main threat. And it's going to be a hot one. Look at these highs this afternoon. Hot, steamy weather day on the way. A few afternoon thunderstorms a possibility for your Saturday, but they'll be widely separated. Not a bad day tomorrow. High temperatures in the 80s, and then one final cold front rolling our way Sunday. Could be a decent round of scattered storms late in the day Sunday, with high temperatures looking like that before some big changes occur. Big trough dives into the eastern part of the country for next week, and that's going to really do a couple things: decrease our temperatures and also decrease our humidity values. So watch what happens with our dew points here as we transition from Sunday into Monday. Those dew points really dropping across the region. So a much drier weather setup is on the way. Lower humidity, lower temperatures, and rain chances basically non-existent Monday through Thursday of next week. All right, Atlantic hurricane season has officially arrived. So we'll take a peek here at the big view across the Atlantic Basin. All is quiet for the time being. No sign of any tropical development across the Atlantic Basin. A little bit of disorganized showers and thunderstorms there over the eastern Gulf of Mexico and the western Caribbean Sea, but no issues there. So take a peek at your tropical weather outlook. No sign of any tropical development over the next 4 or 5 days. Whenever we do get our next named system, of course, we've already used Alberto, but Beryl next on the list, followed by Chris and Debbie. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.